Ilang opisyal ng gobyerno at negosyante ang pinarangalan sa pinakamalaking business awards event sa buong Southeast Asia. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Denise Osorio.
Nagsama-sama ang mga business tycoon, diplomats at government leaders kagabi sa Embassy of Malaysia para sa Asia Leaders Awards International, ang pinakamalaki at pinaka-circulated na business awards event sa Southeast Asia. Isa sa mga pinarangalan si Department of Budget and Management Undersecretary Goddess Hope Libiran bilang Woman of Substance awardee. Sa gitna ng mga kasalukuyang isyung tinatahak sa pambansang budget, naninindigan siyang dapat manatiling matapat sa paglilingkod ang mga public servant.
It inspires me to be a better person, and it inspires me to serve with integrity and honesty, especially that a lot of issues are hounding the government nowadays. So this keeps me grounded, and this keeps me on track. Just neglecting the noise and just focusing on my job as a public servant.
Binigyang diin pa ni Libiran na paalala ito sa responsibilidad na magpatuloy sa pagsusulong ng kapakanan ng mga kababaihan, lalo na sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno.
As the chairperson of the Gender and Development Focal Point System at the DBM, this Woman of Substance Award inspires me to implement or propose more projects that will strengthen the role of women in nation building. With the use of technology, the DBM is working on a gender and development dashboard which will monitor the spending of various government agencies when it comes to GAD programs and projects, so that I will really push forward, and of course a lot of other projects that will empower women and children.
Iginawad naman kay Jansen Uy, isang 32-year-old na president at COO, ang Young Leader of the Year Award. Aniya, mababang attrition rate ng isang kumpanya at ang pagbuo ng tiwala ang importante at dapat binibigyan ng pansin para sa isang masaganang pamumuno ng isang negosyo.
The low attrition, meaning people are happy, and when people are happy, they're motivated, they go the extra mile for you. So being able to influence, being able to inspire people to take up the torch and also work towards a common goal, I think that's what defines a successful leader.
Dagdag pa ni Uy, ang tunay na pamumuno ay hindi nakabase sa edad o posisyon.
For you to build a strong relationship is that, first of all, they have to be able to trust you and they know you as a person that they can work with you. Not because you're smart, not because you're hardworking, but because you're trustworthy and you won't go back on your word.
Samantala, isa sa mga pinarangalan ng Leadership Excellence Award si Malaysian Ambassador to the Philippines, Dato Abdul Malik Melvin Castellino. Binigyang diin ni Castellino ang kahalagahan ng pagkilala sa mga lider upang mahikayat ang mas maraming organisasyon at individual na isapuso ang integridad, mabuting pamamahala at paglilingkod sa bayan.
I think one of the concept of concept of leadership is, of course, to lead with integrity, with conviction, and of course to lead with the understanding that the society and community comes above everything else. So I think awards like this will further reinforce these fundamental principles of leadership. And that's why I think we need to, of course, continue to support leaders that have or continue to strive the very best for the nation. And
Dagdag ni Castellino, mahalaga ang mas matatag na ugnayan ng Malaysia at Pilipinas, lalo't papalapit ang chairship ng bansa sa ASEAN, kasabay ng panawagan para sa kapayapaan, resiliency at pangmatagalang pag-unlad sa rehiyon.
I have every confidence that Philippines will be a great chair based on our track record with Philippines. And I want to again urge all, not only Filipinos but also all the ASEAN nations to come to Philippines and see how developed and how progressive Philippines is. And we hope that this will continue to be a strong motivating factor for the other ASEAN countries to also work with together to build a bridge of peace and security as we move forward.
Denise Osorio, para sa Pambansang TV, sa Bagong Pilipinas.